location, location, location. This place is one of the family-friendly highlights in Mount Pleasant. So look how huge this is! You can imagine how much fun this is in the summer when you just need a break from everything. I get a break. So this is a Charleston classic. You can't tell me it gets any better than this. Hey everybody, Robin Phillips here, your Mount Pleasant Realtor. Welcome back to 260 Alexandra. This house is all about location, location, location. Not only can you avoid all of the Highway 17 traffic and zip 2 minutes to downtown, I'm going to show you today how close it is to Waterfront Park. This place is one of the family-friendly highlights in Mount Pleasant. It is within walking or biking distance of this very house. So come with me, let's jump in the car and let's see how close it is. I mean, we can even say this is the giant 5 o'clock traffic jam. Yeah. That was it. So here we are at Waterfront Park. Right behind me is the splash pad. So in the summertime, this has children running everywhere. There's a giant sign that says no lifeguard on duty, which literally cracks me up because what are you gonna do? Drown in a jet of water, but never mind. So look how huge this is. Oh my gosh, like every one of these is colored lights shooting out water. These things here also have water shooting out of them. You can imagine how much fun this is in the summer when you just need a break from everything. And over here is where all the parents will sit, right? So your kid is running around like a total idiot and you're like, I get a break. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. Okay, now I am gonna show you guys the outdoor gym, and there's some real very, very fit people working out there right now. Let's go. I'm here with Gabby, and Gabby, how long have you lived in Mount Pleasant?
About a year and a half.
And where did you move from?
Boston.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, why?
Well, honestly, my boyfriend was living down here and we were doing a lot of traveling back and forth. And honestly, the weather is like one of the top reasons we picked to move down here. It's so gorgeous out here all the time. And honestly, it's such a welcoming environment as well.
Why here? Why the Waterfront Park?
Well, honestly, it's a great space. I mean, they have a little running loop that we can use. They have a lot of equipment down here. It's a great location. We live not even a half mile away from here, so we could walk, get a little extra cardio in. So it's been fun.
That's awesome. So if someone were moving to Mount Pleasant, what would you tell them is like the highlight of this area?
We love Shem Creek. It's a really great spot. We're really close to Sullivan's and the beach. Honestly, this part of Mount Pleasant too, there's a lot to do. There's a lot of shopping, the town center, downtown's only about 10, 15 minutes away, so it's a great location.
That's awesome. Well, Gabby, thank you so much for giving us a minute of your time. We totally interrupted her workout like mid push-up, so I appreciate you.
Thank you so much. It was great talking with you.
So what Gabby was talking about is this running loop right behind me. And one of the coolest parts about this place is the basketball courts. As you well know, it is very difficult for young adults to make friends. And I really feel like this is the optimal place where you can just come out, grab a ball, pick up a game with somebody and enjoy the beautiful weather. I think today, right now, it's like 68 degrees. So like, who's complaining about that? So here we are at the dog park, and this place has been so crazy. We've been standing here for 5 minutes, and look how many dogs are in here. They have a large dog, they have a small dog, they've got water stations. I mean, it's 5 o'clock, so it's probably like the busiest it's gonna be, but I have to say, literally these two dogs were running down here. Their owner was like 20 feet the other direction. They're dragging their leashes. They're so excited to get in there and play with the other dogs. So I think this is a really great added benefit and yet another way to meet people when you first move to Mount Pleasant, right? And here, of course, are your restrooms, water fountains, so you never have to worry. Water bottle refill station. So just in case you're not very sporty, like they have these awesome rocking chairs where you can just like hang out and look at all the hot guys sweating. I love it. Right across the street from the Mount Pleasant Waterfront Park is the Sweetgrass Cultural Arts Pavilion. And the best part of this is the fishing pier. It goes right out underneath the Ravenel Bridge, and at sunset, it is truly stunning. We're super close to sunset, so let's walk out there and see what it looks like. So right behind me, the pavilion can be rented for events. They have an inside, they have an outside, and it is absolutely stunning. The weather is just incredible right now, and you can see the sun is setting. And it looks like they're setting up for a live event right now. And so for those of you that don't know, this is an oyster table, right? So you put a garbage can right underneath this hole, right? You take a giant bucket of steamed oysters and you dump them out all over here, right? And then everybody's got their oyster knives and they shuck them, they eat them, and they chuck them in the bin. So this is a Charleston classic. So the reason this is called the Sweetgrass Cultural Arts Pavilion is because there is art all over the place displayed. And can you imagine having a picnic right here? So this is the gift shop. This is where you pop in, pay for a wristband, and that's how you're allowed to fish on the pier. You can't tell me it gets any better than this. So thanks for coming along with me today to visit both the Waterfront Park and the fishing pier across the street. If being in walking and biking distance to these kind of amenities is important to you, give me a shout out in the comments and come and take a look at 260 Alexandra. It is such a unique property, and I'll tell you what, that location is one of a kind. And if you want more Mount Pleasant content, hit that subscribe button and I'll take you on the next tour of another amazing spot. See you next time.